Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. The energy of this reading could be a reversal. For some of you guys, it could not be your story and it could not be your energy. So please, use your own discernment. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. What the Scorpio needs to know about everything. Love, money, career, business, and studies. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. I would like to remind you guys that the energy of this reading could be a reversal. If it is not your story and your energy, since this is not your personal reading, just leave it, okay? And I would like to tell you as well that if this is not your energy, it could be that this is the energy of that person you are dealing with. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. Let me see. Your first card is, we have the Four of Cups. Somebody here is bored. Somebody here is feeling stuck. Somebody here is feeling rejected. It could also be that this is your energy. Could also that these are the group of people in the past. A minimum of 4 people who are coming against you. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 444. It could also that you were born in the 4th of the month, or you could be 44 years old, or you are dealing with this person. I don't know what this is all about. It could also that you are dealing or attracting a water sign like you, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to turn around. You don't have to cry over a spilled milk. It is wasted and cannot be regained. The past couldn't be changed. It can only be accepted. You are advised to move on, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is over. It could also that you are regretting of the people in the past. It could also be that somebody betrayed you. And this is your energy, because could also that you love this person, you support this person, you give your whole time, your energy, and they betrayed you. Could also that this is your partner. Could also that you are dealing with a 4 group of people who are not reciprocating your love and your value. A water sign is involved here, could be, or a minimum of 4 people. And this is the current situation, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, eradicate the negative emotion. The truth is you are not bored, you are not stuck. Others of you guys, these are the feelings of the people with whom you are dealing with. It could also that they are sad because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. If this is a new person, this person wants to offer you something, but they viewed you that you are not accepting any offer. Could also be that somebody have feeling like they miss the opportunity to have you. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. Your challenge is the 8 of Pentacles. I told you, because you are focusing in your career, your pentacles, your financial success and stability. Somebody here could be wants to distract you and they couldn't distract you because you are focused. That's why somebody is feeling rejected by you. or that you are not accepting any offer because you are focusing on your career, your creativity, your investment, your work. I don't know what is the nature of your job. Others of you guys, it could also that you are dealing or attracting a Virgo, an earth sign, or a water sign. And this is your challenge. For some of you, I feel like this person wants to invest with you if this is a new person. If this is the past people, they are feeling entitled to your legacy, to your work, to your success and stability. Could also that somebody here needs your support. Others of you, you are no longer engaging your energy to them, especially if these are the past people, because you have done your support and you are not reciprocated. There could also be, a money involved here, a scam. I don't know what this is all about. It could also be that you are the one who is supporting this person or this relationship. I don't know what this is all about. And it could also that this is a new person. This person wants to invest with you, but they viewed you that you are not accepting any offer because you are focusing in your career. This is related to business matters. This person wants to challenge you. An earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And this is your challenge. The universe advises you to stay focused and don't get distracted. There are only people who wants to distract you, especially the past people. You know why? Because you are no longer engaging your energy to them. They want to be the part of your success. And that's why they want to distract you. It could also be that these are your haters, a minimum of 8 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 888. For some of you guys, this is related to your abundance. This is your 8th house, your transformation and rebirth. And number 8 is just like what goes around comes back around. Whatever they have done on you in the past, rest assured that they are now facing the karma. Because number 8 is what goes around comes back around. But also that this is related to your financial matters, to your career, to your legacy. And that's why somebody here is sad. A group of 4 people or a group of 8 people. The power of 8, the power of 4. There could be a significant meaning for you with 84, 48, 44, 88. Please pay attention with this number. Let me see. The spiritual lesson here is the 7 of Cups. Oh my gosh. I feel like this person put you in an option in the past. And now this person is confused. Could also that somebody is betraying you. Could also be that these are the group of delusional people. And somebody have believed the lies, the illusion created on you with this person, a group of 7 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 777. You could be born on the 7th of the month. You could be born in 1977 or the person you are dealing with. It could also be that in the past they put you as an option. Now they have seen that you have lots of options. Now they are confused. It could also be that there are people who are gossiping and spreading lies and rumors about you, and somebody has believed the lies. Could also be that these are the group of people who wants to put you inside the box. They doesn't want you to shine. They doesn't want you to come out for whatever reason, because they are triggered with your lights. They viewed you as a threat. You could be an earth angel for some of you. Of course, not all of you. I never see all of you. And this person or group of people are triggered with your lights. You know why? Because there is something inside you that they don't have and they couldn't have. And that's why they doesn't want you to shine. It could also that this is related in your workplace. They tried to keep you maybe in underground. Maybe they tell you, hey, Scorpio, you go to work in the underground, because they are triggered with your lights. They knew exactly that you can do great things. That's why they can perceive this. A low vibes energy draining vampires can perceive this, because you are the catalyst of their lives. You are the mirror, and mirror never lies. Now they are confused. Now they are visualizing. It could also that this is your energy. You are confused. Why this person or group of people betraying you, when in fact you give your love and support to them. And that's why you are visualizing. It could also that this person doesn't want you to know your value. That's why they tried to keep you in the box. They tried to hide you. They doesn't want you to come out. They doesn't want you to shine. And now they couldn't keep you in the box because you're already in this 8 of Pentacles. A water sign could be is involved here, or an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. If this is a new person, this person is, they are daydreaming and fantasizing on you because they view you that you are not accepting any offer. Could also be that this is your energy, you have lots of options and you are confused which option is the best for you. Related to your love life and your career. Others of you, you have learned your lesson from this person, or a group of 7 people who are coming against you in the past. Can you imagine they are collaborating against you, how powerful you are? A minimum of 7, a minimum of 8, and a minimum of 4. I never see all. Take only what fits in your story. A water sign and an earth sign is involved here. Let me see. Your past situation is the 3 of Wands. It could also that this person lots of option and they are confused. It could also that this person, a new person, and they have lots of option. And this person is confused. You look, the 3 of Wands. This is your energy. You are advised to get out from your comfort zone because you have lots of, infinite potential. It could also be that this is related to your lucky breaks and you want to continue further because you have seen that you can do it. I don't know what this is all about. Could also be related to a creative spark. Could also that you are dealing with this group of 3 people. A fire sign could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. It could also that in the past, they are not reciprocating your value. They have not seen your worth. Now they want to approach you because they have seen your golden opportunity. The 8 of Pentacles. Somebody here could be going to travel. There could be a travel involved here. It could also be that somebody here will go to a foreign land. I don't know what this is all about. It could also be that this person wants to travel towards you or you are to them. I don't know what this is all about. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. Sorry, there could be a significant meaning for you with the number 333. Please pay attention. For some of you guys, this is related to your creativity. I feel like in the past, this person or group of people didn't value your worth. If this is a new person, it could also that this person wants to travel towards you. It could also that they are going to leave the karmic ties. Somebody here is no longer happy in a relationship. You look 7 of Cups. Lots of option. It could also be that this person is your partner, your ex. Could also be the people in the past. I don't know what this is all about. The present energy is the 7 of Swords. Oh my gosh. Somebody here wants to win at all cost. These are the people who are, they don't care with whom they are going to hurt because their lives are falling apart. These are the people who are, they will not work. They will just only defending the work of other people. And they will try to steal it by means of sabotage. Be very mindful, especially the people in the past. You look 7 of Swords and 7 of Cups. 7-7. There could be a significant meaning for you with 7-7, number 7. For some of you, this is related to your lucky breaks. If these are the past people, be very mindful because I feel like somebody here wants to steal your time, your energy, and your resources. Somebody here wants to win at all costs. Could also be a group of 7 people. An air sign is involved here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to be very strategic, especially if you are dealing with this person or group of people. It could also that they are going to offer you a fake offer. This is a sabotage. This is because they want to steal your ideas. I don't know what is the nature of your work. Be very mindful. For some of you guys, it could also that they are going to communicate with you. Somebody here wants to communicate with you. Others of you, I feel like you're snaking away from this person or group of people because you are tired and sick with our BS. You are tired of manipulation, trickery, and lies. And that's why you are snaking away. I feel like they're snaking on you. What is your next move? Because this person or group of people's lives are boring. You look, the first card is boredom. Your life is more interesting than them. They are focusing, they are consuming lots of time on you than their own lives because of jealousy and envy. For some of these people, guys, they are abandoning themselves. They are, maybe they couldn't take shower, they couldn't do their household chores because they are focusing on you. Poor haters, whoever you are, shame on you. Go and heal yourself and focus yourself. An air sign is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, could also be a group of 7 people. The universe advises you to move silently and don't tell them about what you have done or what you are doing, because they are the only ones to steal your ideas. They are only snaking you because they plan to sabotage you. I told you, for some of you, you cut off the ties of this person or group of people. You are no longer engaging your energy to them because of their BS. You are tired and sick. They backstab you with the 7 of Swords in the past. And they want to win at all cost. Let me see. The future here is the Temperance. You could be dealing or attracting a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. For some of you guys, I feel like this person wants to heal the old wounds. It could also that this person wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. Could be an Aquarius or a Sagittarius. Could also be an air sign or a Sagittarius. It could also be that in the past, they created too much conflict on you. They tried to control your life. Could also be that you are dealing with a group of people who are manipulative. They engage you to conflict and drama. For some of you guys, it could also be that you've forgiven them already, but they did this to you 7 times, or they sabotage you around 7 years, a minimum of 7 years, 7 months, or 7 weeks, and you are tired and sick. Now you cut them off out of your life. You are not telling what you are doing. You are tired because they backstab you with the 7 of Swords. These are the people who are spreading lies and rumors about you, who put you in a third-party situation because of jealousy and envy. Now they want to heal the old wounds. Others of you guys, if this is a new person, they want to give you balance, or they have seen that you are a healer, that you are balanced. The universe advises you to be patient. I don't know what is the nature of your job. Be patient and don't make it rush. Trust the process of the Divine Most High. Have faith. Others of you, of course, you are. Could also that these are a group of people in the past, a minimum of 7 people. They want to heal the grudges, the trauma, the old wounds. And this is the future energy. Continue and prioritize your healing journey. And don't get distracted with this group of people who are manipulative, because they only want to win at all costs. Could also that they are pretending, Scorpio, we want to heal we want to harmonize the relationship. This is a sabotage. The 7 of Swords. Be very mindful, especially the people from the past. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. Your attitude in this reading is the Ace of Pentacles. This is an earth sign energy. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You could be dealing or attracting an earth sign. For some of you, of course, not all of you. You are going to receive a good news from this person. This could also be related to golden opportunity, because you are opening the doors of golden opportunity. This is related to material world. This offer will lead you to a platonic and a romantic relationship. This person could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, a Sagittarius, or an Aquarius. Because these are the cards before I picked this card. This is the Ace of Pentacles. This is a new beginning of golden opportunity. Let me see. But also that somebody here will give you a gift, or somebody here needs a job, or you are the one who needs a job. Be very mindful. Either you are the one who offered this to somebody else because you view this person as a golden opportunity, or somebody will offer this to you. Because the energy of this reading could be reversal. And the outside influence is the Hangman. Oh my gosh. Somebody here is sacrificing in silence. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to contemplate, to create a sacred space. I don't think that this is your energy for some of you guys. It could also be that these are the people in the past who betrayed you. They are sacrificing in silence because these are their wishes on you. They doesn't want you to have success. They wants to have your life stagnant. For some of these people, guys, they sacrifice you. They are creating something in order for you to sacrifice. Because for some of these people, they are your haters. They want you to sacrifice. And now, I feel like they are the one who ended up this sacrificing in silence. Because everything backfires on them. Remember, the 8 of Pentacles here is what goes around comes back around. Remember. And now, they are the one who is sacrificing in silence. Could also be that they tried to block your work, your financial success and stability. They tried to throw you under the bus by all means. This is not literally, this is metaphorically. Others of you are no longer sacrificing them anymore because you are awakened, you have an epiphany. It could also be that this is related in your workplace, in your relationship, your family, partnership. Could also be related to your, friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. Could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart for some of you. Of course, not all of you. Let me see. The hopes and fears here is the High Priestess. I told you. They are sacrificing in silence because of their secret. But also that there's an exposure here. They are feeling trapped because this person or group of people in the past wants to trap you, and now it backfires on them. Because number 8 is what goes around comes back around. The 8 of Pentacles is your challenge. And for some of you guys, I feel like there is an illumination here of all the things hidden in the dark. This is related to trickery, lies, and manipulation. Cast spells, love spells, black magic, betrayals is going to expose or is now exposed. Could also be that somebody has scared on you. That's why this person is sacrificing in silence. Could also be a group of people who did black magic, cast spells, love spells on you. I don't know what they have done on you, but somebody is sacrificing in silence. Could also that they betrayed you. Could also that they have fear to tell you about their secrets or about their feelings. They viewed you as mysterious, secretive. Others of you guys, they viewed you as a psychic, an intuitive person. You could also be a psychic, a shaman, a guru. You could have a sacred insights, and that's why this person is scared that you knew their secret. That's why they're sacrificing in silence. They are guilty of what you have done on you. It could also be that this person didn't tell you about their secrets. This could also be a betrayal, and now you have found out about this betrayal. I don't know what this is all about. For some of you guys, you don't know their secret, but it will come out, and this is a shocking secret. I don't know what is this all about. Could also that this is your hopes and fears. This is the hopes and fears in this reading. Sorry guys, because it could also be that this person didn't know that you already knew about their betrayal. I don't know what this is all about. A Pisces is involved here, a Cancer, or a Scorpio. But normally this is the energy of a Pisces. Let me see, the outcome here is, this is the Chariot. I love this card for you guys. In your last reading, it was also come out. A Cancer energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Cancer or a matured mother figure. This is related to your fast movements, a quick movements of everything in your life. It could also that this is related to your career. I don't know what this is all about. There could be a quick leveling ups in your career, I don't know, your business, everything. This is positive because you take back your power. There could also be travel involved here. Others of you, it could also be that there is a car involved with the situation. Could also be that somebody here is envy with your car. Pay attention with your car, or pay attention if you are going to drive. There is a car involved in the situation. Could also be that you are going to buy a new car, or somebody will give you a gift, a new car. Or there could be something significant related to a car. If you have a car, be very mindful. Check your car and don't drive when you drunk, and don't drink when you are driving. It could also be that these are the past people who tried to swap your destiny, and now they have seen your strength because they viewed you before as a weak person because of your kindness to them, your generosity and compassion. A Cancer is involved here, or a matured mother figure. It could also be this person wants to travel to win over you. This is the outcome, or you are the one to this person. If you have a car, I advise you to be very careful in driving, or check your car because there could be a problem here. For most of you, this is a positive energy. Of course, this is related to your journey. This is related to your victory. This is somebody here could also be will travel to you. This is quick. This is fast movements. If this is related to your career, this is a quick, promotion, leveling ups. Let me clarify your readings for today. Why the Seven of Swords in this reading? Tell me more about the Seven of Swords here, please. Oh my gosh. It is clarified as misunderstood, victim soul, mistakes. Somebody here will tell you, oh Scorpio, it was misunderstood. Or they misunderstood you, or you are the one to them. It could also be that you are dealing with a person who is manipulative, and they will not accept the consequences of their action. And they will tell you, Scorpio, it was a misunderstood. In German language, it is falsch verstanden, which I always experience. When I quote their lies, they will reply, this is the alibi of people in the country where I reside at present. They will say always, oh, falsch verstanden. Falsch verstanden is misunderstood. But some people, guys, they mean it. They knew exactly what they have done on you, but they don't want to accept the consequences of their action. That's why they will charge you as falsch verstanden, which is misunderstood. And this person is snaking on you, but you are no longer engaging your energy to them because they are very manipulative. Could also that they are planning to sabotage you. Could also that they are collaborating, a group of 7 people. That's all they can do, collaboration. Even though they are collaborating against you, they will not win because their evil schemes will not work. I told you, whoever you are, shame on you. Go and hell yourself. Don't give any information with this person, with this group of people, because they are only jealous, envy, frustrated. The people who have a low self-esteem. That's all they can do, snaking the life of other people, gossiping, spreading lies and rumors. That's all. Don't engage your energy because you are worthy. These are unworthy people because they have a low vibes energy, draining vampires. Liberate your thoughts from mental slavery, especially if this person or group of people are still trying to bother you. They are trying to play mind games on you. Don't engage because they are unworthy of your energy. Your energy is your currency. Remember that. Just ignore and don't give any information what you are doing because they are planning to sabotage you. Whoever you are, good luck. Take only what fits in your story. Good luck and shame on you for doing this to my fellow Scorpio and to me as well. Go and hell yourself. Clarify me, Father, why the Chariot in this reading? Tell me more. Why the Chariot here, please? It's clarified as rejection, abandon, dismiss, irrational fear. This person is feeling rejected by you, or you are to them. Could be a matured mother figure or a Cancer. Somebody here wants to travel towards on you. This is quick travel. This person wants to win over you. Could be a Cancer or a matured mother figure. But they are feeling rejected by you. I don't know what they have done on you. Why there is a rejection here. Maybe they mess you up. Why the High Priestess here? Please tell me more about the High Priestess in this reading. It is clarified as distracted, sidetracked, chains, delays. Oh, I say somebody here did cast spells, love spells, black magic on you. Because they doesn't want you to, to succeed. They wants to put, destruction in your work, in your love life, in your career. I don't know, because of jealousy and envy. Yeah, look. It could also that they engage you to a high practitioner. That's why I told you. Cast spells that your money will not come to you, that there is no good luck in your life. That's all they can do because of jealousy and envy. Whoever you are, shame on you. But I don't think that they will succeed because your outcome here is the Chariot. This is the quick movements. The more they put sidetrack in your career, everything, the more they did cast spells, black magic, witchcraft, voodoo on you, the more there is a past movements of everything in your life. There is a promotion, leveling ups, because this person's energy are so negative. And that's why the universe will left you up. This person, a group of people now, I feel like they are hopeless because you are not telling what you have done. They are snaking on you. They are gossiping. But they are planning to sabotage you. Be very mindful. Because there is a car involved here as well. A Pisces is involved here. Or a water sign. I don't know. Whoever you are, shame on you. Could also that they are paying a practitioner because they wants to know about your life. Maybe be engaged you to a tarot card reader because your life is interesting than their lives. I told you, they are focusing on you. They are wasting their time because they are focusing on you. And in the end, they are jealous and envy on you. These are the people who are low vibes. Shame on you, whoever you are. Go and heal yourself. Why the Hangman here? Please tell me more about the Hangman here, please. It is clarified as releasing, letting go, moving on. The universe advises you to let go of this stagnation, or this could also be that you already released this person, or you are advised to release this person in your life, to move on because there is no longer important or something good in this person. Could also have this person betraying you, or they wants you to sacrifice. You are advised to release this person or group of people in the past. Especially those people who mess you up because they are not deserving in your powerful new beginning, in your success. That's why release them, because all they can do is to sabotage you, to collaborate against you, to manipulate you, to sacrifice you, because of jealousy and envy, because you are the mirror, and mirror never lies. Clarify me, Father. What are Four of Cups in this reading? Please tell me more about the Four of Cups in this reading. That is clarified as spying. I told you, they are watching you like a hawk 24/7. They are spying and stalking on you through your social media. They are gathering some information about you. That's all they can do. Whoever you are, shame on you. Oh my gosh. You look, because their lives are stuck. And you have, leveling up the Chariot and the Eight of Pentacles. And aside from that, they reap what they sow. What goes around comes back around. And that's why this person, a group of people, are feeling stuck. But they are feeling rejected by you. All they can do is to spy and to stalk on you through your social media, especially if you have platform. They are gathering some information about you because as I have told you, your life is more interesting than this person or group of people's lives. They are attending the lives of other people. That's all the energy of low vibes, energy draining vampires. And aside from that, they are spying on you. What is your next move? It could also that this is a new person. They're spying and stalking your social media because they want to offer you something and they view you that you are not accepting any offer. A water sign is involved here. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Clarify me, Father. Why the temperance in this reading? Tell me more about the temperance here, please. It is clarified as curse. I told you, witchcraft. They curse your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be a Sagittarius is involved here, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. They curse an earth angel. Of course, it backfires on them. I never see all of you. If you are on the right path, this is your reading. You could be an earth angel. Of course, not all of you. Take what resonates because there is a fellow Scorpio involved here. A Sagittarius. Air sign, earth sign, water sign, fire sign is involved in this reading. Take what resonates because this is general energy reading. This is not your personal reading. And I never said any specific time when it will happen. Could be yesterday, today, tomorrow, and in the future. Because this is a timeless and general energy reading. Clarify me, Father. What the Ace of Pentacles here, please. It's clarified as karma. I told you. Because they tried to hinder your legacy, your work, your financial success, and stability. If this is a new person, this person wants to offer you a golden opportunity. They wants to offer you, an investment. Because it could also that this person is experiencing the karma from the previous relationship. Or they have now karma because they scam your money, they block your work, they tried to put sidetrack in everything you do, and that's why they are now reaping what they sow. Number 8, 8 of Pentacles, while you are in this abundance, while you are focusing on your work, on your legacy, and these people are focusing on you, how to sabotage you. You look, the 7 of Swords, they wants to win at all cost. Whoever you are, shame on you. Yeah, look, now they are now receiving the karma. That's why somebody who wants to offer you, could be a gift, could also be that they needs a job, because karma hits them hard. Or somebody who wants to offer you a golden opportunity, because they doesn't want to receive more karma in their lives. Could also be that this is in your workplace. Could also that they tried to block your career because of jealousy and envy. Now they wants to offer you a golden opportunity because they believe that they can escape the karma. For some of these people, guys, it's too late. The karma is now beginning. The begins of the karma. I told you, an earth sign is involved here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio. Clarify me, Father. Why the 3 of Wands in this reading? It is clarified as hopeless, sinking, despair, falling apart. I told you, because they curse you. Everything what they have done on you backfires on them, because there could be a secret is going to expose her. You look, the High Priestess. That's all they can do. A fire sign is involved here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The power of 3. Because they sacrifice you. They want you to get stuck. They want you to be confused, to have a mental disorder. They curse you because of jealousy and envy. Now they are the one who is experiencing this. They are sacrificing in silence. While you have balance in your life, you have lots of golden opportunity, and they are feeling stuck because this is the part of their karma. Double confirmation. Karma and number 8, 8 of Pentacles. What goes around comes back around. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.